Join me as I take on the challenge of finding inner peace amidst all the chaos around us. In today's world, inner peace is more crucial than ever. We're constantly bombarded with stressors and distractions, making it difficult to find that sense of calm within. But what if I told you that it's possible to navigate through the chaos and still find peace? We've all been there, stuck in traffic, scrolling through social media, or dealing with difficult people. It's easy to let these daily stressors get the best of us, leaving us feeling anxious, frustrated, and overwhelmed. But what about those days when everything seems to be going wrong, and you're left feeling like you're losing your grip on sanity? How do you maintain inner peace when life gets crazy? For many of us, it's a constant struggle to prioritize our well-being when faced with the demands of daily life. Unfortunately, our fast-paced lifestyle often leads us to put our own needs last, sacrificing our mental and emotional well-being in the process. We convince ourselves that we'll get to it eventually, but eventually turns into never, and we're left feeling drained, burnt out, and stuck. It's time to acknowledge that inner peace is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's time to take control of our lives and make our well-being a priority. So, how do we find this elusive inner peace? The good news is that it's not some mystical concept reserved for meditation gurus or yogis. Finding inner peace is within your reach, and it all starts with awareness. By acknowledging your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, you can begin to quiet the mind and tap into your inner calm. Mindfulness, meditation, and breathing exercises are all powerful tools that can help you get started. Mindfulness, for example, is about being present in the moment, observing your thoughts without judgment, and letting go of attachment. It's about recognizing the constant stream of thoughts and emotions that come and go, but not getting caught up in them. Meditation takes it a step further, helping you tap into that deeper sense of calm and connection. And breathing exercises, well, they're a game changer for calming the nervous system and reducing stress. But enough about strategies. Let me share with you a personal story that illustrates the transformative power of finding inner peace. I remember a particularly tough time in my life when I was struggling to cope with anxiety and depression. It was like being stuck in a never-ending cycle of fear and doubt. But then I stumbled upon mindfulness and meditation. And when I was struggling to cope with anxiety and depression, it was like being stuck in a never-ending cycle of fear and doubt. But then I stumbled upon mindfulness and meditation, and everything changed. It wasn't easy, and it took time, but slowly I began to quiet the voices in my head and tap into a sense of inner peace that I never thought was possible. It was like finding a sense of home, a sense of being grounded and centered, no matter what life threw my way. The strategies I've shared with you today are not rocket science, but they do require commitment and practice. Start small, start slow, and be patient with yourself. Remember, it's the small steps that lead to big transformations. Take a few deep breaths, step outside, and observe the world around you. You might just find that sense of inner peace waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you.